Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
Today we will talk about the tips and tricks to study effectively at home. Amidst the coronavirus pandemic, all the educational institutes are either shut down or switched to online learning platforms. So here we will talk about the best ways to study at home using online study materials. So without any further ado, let's know some of the best tips to study at home effectively. The first tip is to stay focused and try to complete the syllabus on time. In case of any difficulty, students must contact their teachers and discuss with friends. Do not ignore any doubt. The second tip is to switch to online resources for studies such as NCERT e-Pathshala app. Students can also turn up to online portals introduced by MHRD such as Diksha, Swayam, Nishtha, etc. Coming to the third study tip. After referring to the online study materials, students can make personal notes for the important subjects and revise them on a daily basis. The fourth tip is to make a proper study schedule and set a target for the day. Students must stay away from distractions and give their best to achieve the target at the end of the day. In addition to this, solve the previous year's question papers to understand the difficulty level of the exams. Lastly, stay calm. Worrying about this academic year is obvious, but the government is taking the necessary steps to reduce the burden of the students. Therefore, if managed strategically, students can do wonders with self-study. All the best. For more information, click on the links given in the description box below.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.